Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am here in the ARC store looking for good findings. I was looking around and then I saw this wonderful, pretty cool vintage barrel. I think it was being used for storage wine on the wall or any bottle drink. It's pretty cool. I have seen it before on antiques shop and it worth $150. Here in the ARC store I only find it like $18 worth. I think is the first thing I'm gonna take home. It's pretty cool and I think I can do wonderful stuff with this. So I was looking around at the top of the shelf and I saw this pretty good blue vintage box. I think it's a machine for facial beauty. It's a weird one because I think you cannot find that one anymore. I don't even know how this works. I was pretty excited to see if it was inside of the box. I was pretty sad I didn't find anything, but I look on the side and voila. I think you have to put your face in there, I believe. Okay, I guess, I don't know. I think this is for electricity, and then that's the control part, and it looks like a dial vintage phones. I was walking around and I saw this weird potato face cup with a big spiky nose and weird smile. It's pretty weird. Only 69 cents, I believe it was.
Okay guys, we're on the electronics area. We're gonna look for a lamp that is vintage or we can resell. So here I see this one. It's really cool, but it's 14. I think it's worth it. We might probably sell it like 30 bucks. As you can see the design inside and stuff. Usually they do work.
We're here in the thrift store. And we actually found this little lamp over here. This one right here would look really cool in a kid's room. You can see it's already a little bit distressed, and that actually adds to the value. Right now it says it's $8, but since everything is half off, it's only $4. So that is pretty good.
I'm gonna take this one. We can do pretty cool stuff with this one. I'm gonna take one because it has several, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with them. So we keep walking around and then we came around this table. It just started remind me when I first started my business. I didn't know what type of style I was gonna redo my furniture. And then I came around Pinterest, this same table. I saw a picture that this table was painted white and in the border has thumbnails. I can show you guys later a picture of what I saw. They just give me an idea of the unique touch that I was gonna give to each of my furnitures. This table is pretty good because it's only $10.
Okay guys, now we're here at the furniture area. We found this chair. I feel like we can change the fabric. to fur fabric, and then we can paint it gold or silver, and then we can use them for a vanity chair, and it will look pretty cool. I have done this ones for a long time ago, and they look pretty cute. As you can see, it's a pretty nice iron chair, I believe it is, which is metal. You can just find the screws on the bottom and screw them back.
And this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to show some love and subscribe. Keep thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching.